Happy New Year! I'm Rob. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, it's good to see you. If you've already been here before, it's still good to see you. You're probably wondering about these boards. We'll get to that in a minute, but let's go inside first. I just wanted to take a moment to thank those who joined me on my first year of YouTube. I mean, it's been a crazy creative process, but I feel with every video I've gotten a little bit better at it. So thank you. Thanks for joining. We should get inside though, because it's cold out here and we got a ton of videos to shoot this year. So here we go. Whoa. Okay. Now, about these boards. It's not the boards necessarily that matters. It's what they represent. I spent probably definitely over a decade, designing, being a horrible skater, but spending most of my time in the shop and coming up with new designs and trying different things and testing different methods. And that's what this video is about. I mean, I'm excited to finally give back to something to the DIYers, the skateboard builders building into their basement. Something that's different than my brand Bombora that you know of, but this is more of a behind the scenes look. This is how I get to give back to the community. So I'm stoked. I mean, this channel is going to be filled with tips and tricks and all kinds of experiments, you know, pretty much anything that happens behind the scenes that you don't get to see. Hold on. Oh, that thing's heavy. Now, if you came here for video production, well, there's still going to be a ton of content for that, so don't worry. I've only scratched the surface of that. But I feel that board building and DIY stuff is really me, and I could bring a unique perspective to the YouTube community. You know, because most people know me as this guy who's up at 4 in the morning working on boards, trying to come up with new designs, probably failing most of the time, but that's the exciting part. I'm just excited to get building again, and I hope you guys come along for the ride. There is one more thing I have in store for you guys, but I can't let it go in this video. It's got to be on its own video, so make sure you subscribe, and the next video I've got a good announcement for you guys, so make sure you tune in. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I mean, this video means a ton to me because it's opening up a whole new chapter that I'm so excited to bring you guys. So I keep saying it, but I really am. So yeah, I guess we gotta get to work. I gotta bring these boards back to the garage.